I will win. No, I will win. Shut the fuck up.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो. हाय, आई एम अनन्या और आज हम लोग एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा कंपैरिजन करने जा रहे हैं. दिस स्ट्रेटनर विच इज मार्क्ड एट ₹7,999, इसको मैं पहली बार टेस्ट कर रही हूँ. और द अदर वन, द ब्यूटी, दिस वन आई हैव हैड फॉर ऑलमोस्ट 5 years नाउ. तो आज इनके और इनके बीच में कंपैरिजन है कि कौन बेटर परफॉर्म करता है. I don't have any bets to place. Like obviously, I hope that this works better. Otherwise, इसका होना फालतू है. इसका existence is like worth nothing if this does not compare to this one. So today, this is what we are going to do, and let's get into the video. So first of all, the details that I want to tell you about. So the Philips straightener. आज मैंने इसकी प्राइस चेक की फ्लिपकार्ट पे. सो इट वॉज मार्क्ड एट 1099 और मैंने जब इसको खरीदा था 5 years ago, इट वॉज फॉर ₹799, लाइक $800, एंड आई हैड दिस एंड इट हैज़ वर्कड फॉर 5 years. कोई भी फाइनेंस का स्टूडेंट होगा बहुत अच्छे से मैथ्स लगा लेगा कि हाउ वेल इट हैज़ फंक्शनड. एंड दिस कोरियोलिस वन, प्रेजेंटली इसकी नाइका पे प्राइस 4799 है, विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 5000. और अदरवाइज इसकी जो प्राइस मार्क्ड है दैट इज 7999, विच इज़ ह्यूज. लाइक यू गेट स्ट्रेटनर्स फॉर मच लेसर. सो दिस इज डेफिनेटली ऑन द हायर एंड ऑफ द स्पेक्ट्रम. नॉट वेरी हाई दो. I got it for less than 3K. मैंने इसको सेल टाइम पे खरीदा था नाइका से. This is a very very recent purchase, as I've told you. This one came in a very very humble box, pink color का, Philips का. Like you know right? कि which kind of box I'm talking about. So you must have also used it. और वो like it does not last, okay? But this packaging is pretty good. It's very very sturdy, yes, that's the word I'm looking for. It's very sturdy packaging. और इसको खोलते हैं. okay, nothing else, it's just this. Yeah, so oh, that's nice. There's this velcro also to hold this string, which is pretty long, pretty long. okay, yes, pretty long string. man, काफी लंबी string दे दी है इन्होंने. How long is it? भाई साहब, व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. इससे कंपेयर करते हैं एंड टू एंड. इट्स डबल, आई थिंक. कितने मीटर की कॉर्ड है आई डोंट नो, बट इट्स डेफिनेटली डबल. लेट मी चेक. they haven't mentioned. Not mentioned. अगर कहीं मिल गया तो I'll put it in the description below. So कॉर्ड में तो जीत गया भाई ये. Although competition उस पर होने भी नहीं वाला था, बट काफ़ी लंबी कॉर्ड है यार. काम आएगा. मतलब मैं वहाँ पे लगा के यहाँ पे एक प्रॉब्लमेटिक सिचुएशन में भी I'll be able to handle this. That's nice. I like it. So these two contenders are going to be judged on. सबसे पहले straightening time. Okay. I want to see कि कौन मेरे बाल ज़्यादा जल्दी स्ट्रेटन करेगा. एंड माई हेयर इज ऑलमोस्ट वेस्ट लेंथ नाउ. लाइक इफ़ यू हैव वॉच माई प्रीवियस हेयर वीडियोज देन यू नो. और ये इस समय की लेंथ है, उस पर मुझे चाहिए जल्दी से स्ट्रेटनिंग. ऑल्सो एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज एयर ड्राइड नेचुरल. लाइक आई हैव डन नथिंग, बस सूखने दिया है बालों को. सो दिस इज माई नेचुरल टेक्सचर विच इज़ pretty frizzy actually. तो इसको जो स्मूदन कर दे प्रॉपरली, एकदम स्मूथ फिनिश चाहिए. सो दीज आर 2 requirements. और जो उसको अच्छे से फुलफिल करेगा, that will be the winner. To make everything very even, we'll part hair into 2 equal parts. और फिर like the usual straightening, I'm not doing anything extra on either side. I have just used this serum from Face Shop, Essential Damage Care, this one. So as you may know, अगर आपने मेरा ओलाप्लेक्स वाला वीडियो देखा है, that I have this obsession of applying serum after I wash my hair, so I had to use this, and also it will protect my hair from heat a little bit, so that is uniform for both the sides. So being from the curly wavy family, मैं महीनों में मतलब it's like once in a month, once in 2 months तब मैं कोम करती हूँ अपने बालों को, बिकॉज आई डोंट एक्चुअली नीड टू. मेरे बाल ऐसे ही नॉर्मली ही विदाउट लाइक हीटलेस कर्ल्स और उस सब से ही ठीक रहते हैं, सो आई डोंट एक्चुअली नीड टू कोम देम दैट ऑफ्टन. बट जब करना पड़ता है ना भाई, हालत ख़राब होती है. लाइक इट हैज़ टेकन मी लेजिट 15 minutes एंड स्टिल देर आर सो मेनी नॉट्स. और अब मेरा ना पूरा का पूरा सब्र का बांध टूट चुका है. फाइनली गेटिंग ऑन टू द वीडियो. और एक मिडल पार्ट. Yeah, okay, fair enough. This section goes to Philips, this section goes to Coriolis, and we'll let the competition begin. So first we will do Philips. I will take thin sections and start from the back. So it's literally the job half done, and it took me 9 minutes to do this. Like, it's not half bad. Damn sir, you are doing good. Still not retiring, okay? You are going to be there. So I'll shut this one down and get to the other side. Ye pink stain, if you are wondering what it is lip and cheek tint. वो मैंने obviously lips और cheeks पे लगाया है. So I use fingers for that, and that stain is still here. Okay, so let's plug in the other one and do the same job all over again. So इसके साथ it's my first time plugging it in, and there is this toggle switch. तो बढ़िया है so far. It's so shiny. Like that one has lost all its shine. Hey, hello new straightener. Okay. Back to the drill. You can see the steam passing. That's interesting. It is going through that holes जो vent इन्होंने दिए हुए हैं. Well, that's nice. Okay, I'll stand up and do it. बैठ के नहीं हो रहा है. This side is also done, and I feel little relieved now that finally it's done. So इसको अब बंद करते हैं and let's assess. Okay, so as you can see, this is as straight as it can get, और frizz वगैरह सब चला गया है, which is awesome. I love it. And this took me almost 8 minutes, like lesser but almost 8, so time is like not bad. This one having such broad plates, और इसने बस 1 मिनट कम लिया, और दूसरा वाला being so old and thin and everything, and it took me 9 minutes. So the competition is tough over here, but judgment abhi baki hai mere dost. So as you can see both these sides, like which one do you prefer? First of all, I will let you assess कि क्या आपको कोई डिफरेंस दिखाई दे रहा है इसमें in both these sides, as you saw like on which side which straightener I used. So I want you to decide that is there any difference or not. So take a moment and decide for yourself. This is both the sides done, the Philips and the Coriolis. Price difference is huge. अगर हम लोग सीधे सीधे MRP पे ही जाते हैं तो like 7,999 and इसका is almost 1,100 something. It's a huge difference. First of all, बहुत ज़्यादा gap है. Like it's two different market segments altogether. अब देखते हैं product की performance. So what I see is that this side looks smoother. I think you can see that. एकदम close up में दे रही हूँ आपको. So this is the one which used the Coriolis one, the Coriolis straightener. ये वो वाला side है. And this is the Philips side. You can see the difference. Like बहुत minute है, but it matters. Look at the ends, guys. This was my whole problem. And this is solved now. Look at the ends right now. Like यहाँ पे it has given me that frizz, and over here it's smooth, almost salon like. So that is the difference, and that is what justifies the price points, the price difference. Obviously we'll consider the fact that this Philips one was 5 years old. Okay, it has served its purpose. It has been amazing to me, and I'm not retiring that one. But you see, use करते वक्त भी what I felt was this glided. This one I had to be like you understand? So that was the difference in usage itself, experience. मतलब इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ है straightening, उसमें भी कैसे experience different हो सकता है, ये चीज़ मैंने feel की है अभी आपके सामने. अभी का humid मौसम होता है ना, उसमें it does not work. It will stay like this for another 10-15 minutes inside the room. Once I step out, boom. Like, remember Monica? Yeah, that's me. So that is what happens. I rarely straighten my hair, but when I do it, I want them to look good now. So what is my recommendation finally? If you have shorter hair, also if you have a budget constraint, also if you want it for traveling and taking it to different places, your straightener, and you are not a very regular user, which you should not be, okay? Nobody should be a regular user of heat products. Heat products नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं? Heat styling products. Yes, that's the word. So if that is your criteria, then the Philips one will serve you amazingly, and it has given a good duty to me. So I know for sure कि आपके बहुत काम आएगा. But if you are in the category of someone who has longer, my type of frizzy kind of hair, या फिर मुझसे ज़्यादा frizzy and shorter, that's two. Also, if you want something extra from your straightener, like not just straightening, also those titanium plates and whatnot, the technology part of it, because in 5 years the technology has moved ahead, so it has changed in hair straightening also. So you should definitely give this one a try, and I got it at a good price from Nykaa. Quoted price जो भी हो, आपको जिस price पे वो मिलेगा, it will be way lesser. So you know, wait for the right time, right moment to buy this one. अगर budget constraints है नहीं है तो go right away, dude, go get it. And that's it from my recommendations. Difference आपको आपके सामने दिख रहा है. Everything is done and dusted, guys. This video is done, and I'm glad to have my hair straightened. I clicked so many pictures now. I have straightened my hair after such a long time. Yes, so I am happy doing this video, happy doing my first comparison video, and if you like it, I'll do more of these. Okay, tell me and I'll do more of these. And that's it from my side for today. I'll see you in my next one. Stay healthy, stay happy, and subscribe to my channel, please. Bye. See you in my next one.
Everything changes.